On this episode of Flexvolt Tool Repairs, we're going to show you how to replace the housing on this DeWalt DCS577 cordless worm drive saw. This is contractor grade equipment and built to last a lifetime, but if you're watching this video, it's likely you found the limit of what your saw can take. So first, we'll talk a little about the saw, and then we'll open it up and show you how to replace the housing. When DeWalt unveiled their new Flexvolt line in 2016, it sent shockwaves through the power tool industry. Able to outperform even corded circular saws, and able to make over 300 cuts on a single charge, you can finally cut the cord without sacrificing performance. These tools are designed for durability, but durable doesn't mean indestructible. DeWalt used a high-grade plastic for the housing. We usually find the housing gets cracked due to dropping the tool, but can also just wear over time. There are two sides to the housing, the left side and right side. Due to its location in the center of the saw, the left side is protected by the blade guards and the right side housing. We rarely see this part get damaged. Today we're going to show you how to replace the right side housing, exposed on the right side of the saw. Fortunately, the right side housing is easy to replace by anyone at home using OEM DeWalt parts from mmToolParts.com, a leader in tool repair for over 80 years. If you think you're up for the challenge, grab your toolbox and follow me. Before we begin, remove the battery. When working on cordless power tools, safety first. To access the housing, we'll start by removing the carry handle using T20 and T25 Torx bits. The housing is attached using T15 and T25 Torx screws, so we'll remove those, leaving these two in the middle. At this point, the housing should slide free from the saw body. In here, we can see the switch, motor, and battery cage. If you're continuing on to replace the left side housing, all of this would have to be removed. You'd also have to remove the blade guards on the other side. For more information on how to remove the blade guards, watch our other video titled DeWalt DCS577, How to Remove Upper or Lower Blade Guard. Replacing the left side housing will require a bit more skill than the average DIY tool repair, so only attempt this if you feel comfortable. For the purposes of this video, we'll just leave it attached. Grab your new housing from mmToolParts.com and place over the saw body, making sure that your trigger lock and switch wires are all in place. Replace the carry handle, and that's it! You just saved your saw's life. Now, don't drop it again. If you have anything to add to what we covered, or if you have any questions, chances are you're not the only one. So leave a comment for us below. And don't forget to like us, share us, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, where we have hundreds of how-to videos just like this one. Good luck with your repair. See you next time.